guys, it's me Serena, and today we're going to make Reese's Brownies. First, we need to get our brownie mix. It smells so good. It smells like Reese's. And we gotta pour this into the bowl. Especially all of it. Oops. And then we gotta get our water. We gotta get 3 tablespoons of water. Let's spill it. 1, 2, 3. And then we get 1/3 of oil, vegetable oil. So I'm going to pour it very, very carefully and slowly. Okay, 1/3. Then pour it into the brownie mix. Lastly, we gotta put our egg in the brownie mix. Here we go. Okay, we got some of the shell in the bowl, but we got it out though, and so that I got the egg in there. Now we're going to stir it really good. I'm not going to stir it fast. Very slow. Stir, stir, stir. I love to stir. Stir, stir, stir. I love to stir. We gotta get the egg in there for flavor. So now that we stirred everything in, now we are going to put the brownie mix in to the pan and then put it into the oven. And then we'll come back. Hey guys, as you can see, the brownies are almost done. We just got 15 minutes left. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Hey guys, it's me Serena. And it's been 15 minutes and the brownies are done. And I got my milk over here and the brownies. They look really delicious in there. And now I'm going to try one. Well, it tastes like Reese's Pieces. Yummy. Goodbye.